Okay guys, here is the age. Yeah.
You know, the man?
Even there's a man drawing here. But there's a Buddha statue right there. There's a Buddha statue right here. You can see here. This is and over here this is the ancient building. Guys, I'm getting sweat right now because from distractions of taking pictures. Guys, I think I'm getting sweat right now because of the distraction of taking pictures. See guys, it's in front of the flags. This the giant Buddha statue right here. And if you look closely right here, this the ancient Chinese building. This must be the ancient building. Yes. Ah! Okay guys, I'm going to tell you about the monuments. Guys, I'll tell you some monuments. Here's some monuments right here. And we've been surrounded by exotic plants. Statue or monument.
Not monument na.
Monument is like a statue. So that means it's the same. Okay guys. You know this guy? This is the general, this is the, what you call this? The General Kimnara. And even there's another guy right here. This is the General Makura from the Rabbit of the Chinese 12, of course. And even there is so many more monuments right here. There's so many statues right here. But yes. Hey guys, you have to search on Google about the monuments of the Chinese, like the General Makura. The General Makura is a type of a person in the ancient Chinese in the 580s. Okay guys, I think we are going now. We are going to take the cable car again because we are going to Disneyland na. Of course. Disneyland is everywhere, right? Disneyland is everywhere. It brings memories back. Oh wait guys, there's another statue right here. So there's another statue that I want to show you. It's the General Katura. Yeah, this is the General Katura right here. And there is more people right here. There's so many ancient monuments right here. I just want to show you about like this, but this is so nice right here. And this is the General Vikarala. Oh wait, it's the General Vikarala, of course. I don't know how to pronounce that. Okay guys, even there's the next one right here. Do you know this guy? It's the General Kumbhihara. Yeah guys, for those who don't know, it's about these ancient statues from the ancient Chinese history in 900 ADs. Yeah guys, like the history before in Philippines, their first flag is Kingdom of Tondo. In 900 ADs, the lost kingdom of the Philippines. Even there's a lost kingdom of Chinese right here. That's why they make these monuments, so people will know about who are those people. So anyway guys, I'm gonna move now. Bye.